It's 13 degrees outside with a wind chill of negative 20. This is Josh aspiring to be a fireman.
Shut up.
Man, now she's gonna try to climb down. She's coming to you. Josh ran out of foot places. All right, there she is.
Can I throw her down?
No, you can't get back down. Well, you gotta carry her part way. Just put her on your back or something. She don't understand that part. Don't let her climb back up.
Come here, you stupid cat. Yo.
Probably by the nape of the neck, Josh. If you can get your hand up there and just pull her off. You can't leave her. You're already up there. Come on, John Wayne. Let's go. Well, come on. She's coming. Let her come on down a little bit. Come on, John Wayne. Come on, girl.
Not that way.
Now see if you can get her. Pull her off kind of hard. Pull her. Pull her. Now.
Shoot. She's gonna fall. She's caught onto that other one.
Pull her towards you.
I can't. My hand's slipping. Daddy, she's gonna fall.
Don't let her fall.
I can't. Daddy.
How far down is it?
It's a long way.
Man, that's a long way. Try to pull her back to you.
She's gonna slip.
Well, let her climb back up the tree, I guess.
Wake up, yes.
Come on, John Wayne. Come on, girl. Come on.
Got one of my hands.
Come on. Here she comes. Come on, John Wayne. Come on, girl. Come on, John Wayne.
Let my hands go around.
Here she comes again. Pull her down towards you. In your chest. You gotta stay on that limb.
Duh.
This is the hardest tree I've ever climbed.
There you go. There you go. Pull her on over.
Come here, John Wayne. John Wayne. Grab my neck.
There you go. Bring her down the other way, maybe around the limb. Kind of put your hand behind her butt and lift her up a little bit, maybe. There you go. Push her off kind of towards you. She don't know it's you. Come on, John Wayne. It's cold now.
Good guys, come here.
He's the kitty patrol.
No. Get off there. makes her.
Makes her fight more.
No, it makes her loose. I can't grab her.
Well, push her over the limb and gently run her down the tree. Try to get her onto the tree itself.
Are you inside now? You left him out there? How's he gonna get down now?
Put that cat inside his coat.